Well, even if you have taken down holiday decorations by now, you might still have those greeting cards floating around. Here today, our organizing expert, Vicki Norris, is helping us deal with the pileup of holiday cards. Vicki, you know how to organize everything.
Well, it's all that personal experience, because when it comes to cards, I am nostalgic.
Right.
I love the words. And for those of us out there who do, I've got some great solutions today for how you can process those cards and even repurpose them so you can avoid another layer of archaeology in your home.
Absolutely. So first step is to create a process.
That's right. And that is kind of a two-parter. You want to sort the cards and you want to determine a destination system. So let's talk about sorting for a minute.
Okay.
Here you can see that we have sorted by type. And so we've sorted by corporate cards, because a lot of companies send out cards. We've sorted by update letters, handwritten cards, photo cards. And so some people like sorting this way because it really helps them to make decisions about what they can let go and what they really want to keep. Molly, though, personally, I sort by family, because I tend to keep specific families, and then I keep their cards over time. And then you want to determine the destination system. So what that means is, are you going to keep it in a box, a file folder? How are you going to keep those cards in the end game?
Okay. And then the next step is also very practical, to record your contact details.
Exactly. So I use the return addresses. I update my Outlook every year with everyone's new addresses. But here's a very low-tech system featured here. One of our clients uses a 3x5 card system. And so when she goes through the Christmas cards, and she actually puts kind of updated details and send receive information on those 3x5 cards. So low-tech or high-tech, record the contact details.
Easy peasy.
Yeah.
Next is you annualize them.
Yes. Okay. So if you just like to keep all your cards every year, what I recommend is to hole punch them at the top corner. You can see them fanned out here, and get one of those loose leaf binder rings, and then just have your cards each year on rings. Now, over time, this will take up quite a bit of space, but it's kind of fun to look down memory lane too.
I love that. That's such a good idea, and it keeps them all together.
Yes.
So the next two are also very fun. You're getting creative with them.
Yeah.
One is to use them as gift tags.
Yes, so this is super easy. You just cut off the back of the card and use the front of it as a gift tag. You don't have to buy gift tags this way. It dresses up a plain package, and makes better use of that $6 card.
Absolutely, and it looks good.
Yeah.
I love it. And then you can also make them as banners.
Yes, so for the crafty out there, you can take those cards and turn them into banners, as you see here. And there's different ways to do that. You could actually use your own card that you've sent each year and kind of see your family grow. You could do one from each decade. You could choose pictures that represent key families, friends and family in your life, but you can actually make a banner and enjoy those cards year after year if you're crafty and you enjoy that. I've also seen wreaths made, Molly, of greeting cards. So there's lots of ways you can get crafty and kind of keep them around and enjoy them if you do love those words. But I have a blog on this subject today on our Restoring Order Facebook page, so people can get ideas for this, because it's not just those holiday cards, right? It's all the cards laying around that we tend to hold on to.
Absolutely. What a special way to keep those close to you, even closer year-round. I love it. Time to start taking those cards off my fridge, I guess.
That's right.
And start organizing. Vicki, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thanks for watching this organizing video by Restoring Order. Be sure you subscribe to this channel and check us out at restoringorder.com.